Are you planning on building? Do you want to do some extensions to your dwelling, shop or factory? You will need someone that can draw the plan for your proposal. In this video we will show you how to find an architect or draftsman. But first, you will need to know what is the difference between an architect and a draftsman. If you are a homeowner that want to do renovations to your house, like dwelling extensions, granny flats, walls, carports and garages, a draftsman will be acceptable. A draftsman can typically draw extensions to residential properties, up to a certain size, and is typically used for smaller residential, commercial and industrial renovation projects. An architect, on the other hand, is typically used for major projects, commercial, industrial, high-rise buildings and technical drawings. For this reason, an architect can be more expensive. Their qualifications may vary, and some might be more experienced than others. They can usually be found in your local newspaper's classified section, community Facebook groups, websites, referral and word of mouth. An important tip before choosing your draftsman is to do a background check. All draftsmen and architects must be registered with the South African Council for Architectural Professions, or SARCAP for short. Go to this website, www.sacapsa.com. Click on this icon. Click here, then click here. On this page, you can enter the name and surname, or registration number of the draftsman or architect. If you find the profile, it means that they are registered. This is some small type of guarantee that you are using a reputable professional, but still, use your own discretion. Many people get conned by draftsmen or architects. If you have been victimized, you can create a case and lay a complaint against them. Go to www.sacapsa.com. Click on this icon. Click here. From this page, you can follow the steps on creating the case and laying the complaint. A pro tip: try not to pay the architect or draftsman in full. If possible, pay the deposit, or 50% to the draftsman, then the difference upon approval. This channel and its consulting services are free of charge, but all we are asking is just to please like, subscribe, and share to someone that might find this helpful. It will really help us to continue to provide quality consulting and advice to its viewers. Before we go, if you have a referral for a good architect or draftsman, please subscribe, then leave the details in the comments. For more topics, click the video links here.